Enugu, I have been looking forward to this event forever. As the managing director of TenTrade Africa, I have seen firsthand what happens when the right people get into the right rooms. Things change. And that's exactly what we are bringing at the Ultimate Trader Finance Conference holding on the 23rd of May 2026. The Ultimate Trader Finance Conference isn't just an event, it is a turning point for you, for your finances, and where you are headed in 2026. We are bringing the knowledge, the strategies, the connections, and everything that takes people from watching the market to actually winning at it. And just for being there, you stand a chance to win amazing prizes. This is a massive opportunity you don't want to miss. I will be there. The question is, will you be there?